Professional product presentation is key to building trust and driving sales. Today, I'll show you how to create a realistic necklace model in just a few simple steps using SellerPic. In the AI model image section, click on Virtual Try-On Accessories. Start by uploading a clear, front-facing image of your necklace. For best results, use a plain or transparent background and avoid any clutter, glare, or awkward angles to ensure optimal placement and realism. If your uploaded image contains multiple items, use the masking tool to isolate the necklace you want to model. Next, select a preset model from SellerPic's library. Pick one with a neckline and necklace style that matches your product for the most realistic fit. Use the brush tool to mark the neck and chest area where the necklace should appear. Or you can use the auto select option for quicker results. Make sure the marked area isn't too big or too small, just enough to fit the necklace naturally. Now, click Generate, and SellerPic will deliver multiple realistic try-on images in seconds. The results are stunning. The details, colors, and necklace fit all blend naturally for a highly realistic look. You can also use your own model for the virtual try-on. Simply click on Custom and upload your photo. Next, use the brush tool to mark the wearing area, focusing on the neck and chest. Once you're done, click Generate to see realistic try-on images featuring your custom model wearing the necklace. Impressive results. And for even better quality, try uploading higher resolution images to capture more detail in the try-on. Need adjustments? Just click Edit, describe what you want, and the AI will automatically refine the image for you. It's fast, simple, and effective. And that's it. Turn any necklace photo into a polished model try-on with SellerPic. Try it now at sellerpic.ai and instantly elevate your product visuals.